Kukugura is blended po siya, tapos meron siyang, wala siyang coffee. Ito din po, it's blended. Meron siyang ubi na cream, and then meron siyang coffee na combination, and then blended po siya. And then ito naman po, wala siyang coffee. Meron siyang combination ng strawberry and chocolate po.
Sige, i-try na ito lang sushi. Daging. Uy, nagdaging. Nagdayag ka?
Wala na ko na-derize sila. Hilo agad sa mga
Kampiyon na tawag kaya ako. Ang pa niya ko niya. Mag-picnic man ang tami. Asa may natagan? Sa misis. Natagan sa kami. May gusto ko ani. Siya man ako. Napudyan mo siya oh. Ani. Gusto mo? Ano sa grata? Ganun tikon na to, ubi. Picture na to ni O, beef caldereta. Adobo. Itong fruity-fruity ko. Ikaw dahil, kape ka? Gusto ko itong ubi ba? May kape man ko. Kape man eh. Kape ni. Nani siyang coffee dito. Babe, sana babe. Sorry, kailuan yung si Dayan. May panoon.
Di ba ni sausage mo?
Ngayon na lang tayo. Pwede mo kayo sa kasi.
Ako kagaling. Labos po.
Ano day ko nindot? Nindot mo kapambot to lang. Ano wala ano? May nakaliko mo.
Marni ka na. Nakapuno.
Gusto ko daw ulan. Ulan daw kayo dito. Ay, talusin mo lang. Okay. Ay, manin sa surya. Diet na.
Kabe, belo.
Maglinis. Kaya buhat na ito sa taas mo.
Sabi na ko ako to garing pa.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy.
Nagkatong pipino, tapos
Walang
pipino, then tangan ako og kanang say lettuce, tapos itlog dahil na boil. Maulan ko.
And just sit first.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Masay na ah?
You to maybe just can still sit here. Those at the back, please keep it to 2 lines, please. Come on, please join the second line. Or you can transfer here to your right side. Also, our
Basa Jidin, ma?
volleyball bata participants would like to request you to please come forward
Basa Jidin?
also. Our basketball participants are the one who will focus on this afternoon. Please, and we will ask Coach Joshua Navarro to open this ceremony in prayer.
This afternoon is a day for us, and thank you for everybody here in this place. We get to spend time together and take part in this successful program.
Davao City Certificate of Completion is proudly presented to the participant for having successfully completed the basic athlete training for all or BATA program for the basketball clinic awarded on the 7th of February 2025 at Davao Christian High School covered court, signed Winston L. Tech, coach, Dexter Dave S. Cagapa, sports coordinator, and Maisel D. Abellera, OSAN. First, we'd like to call in Barro Carl Jaden. If your name is called, please come to the front and get your certificate. Picture, please. So after you get your certificate, have a picture with our coach and sports coordinator and mom, Maisel Arbosa. Concha Asen Gabriel.
I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to me. 'Cause I can see your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them fall. There's so many ways to be happy. Can do it all. You don't have to be happy. You just gotta try. You don't have to be scary. To be happy.
Wow. Hindi. After dagan. Hello. Ay, ibilin ako. Na, dito. Bin ako, si Kwati lang yung paliton. Gusto ko rin kapat uputo di ay. Dili dayo, mo sa ni banana. May cheese. Dili oy. Sapin.
here for the food.
Made with pure ubi halaya po. Saka mixed with special malakit sa papayata.
Wala, first pa lang gani eh. Di ka makita, Dad. Makita, Dad.
Record lang sila. Doon kita dire. Mo manigi ato na.
Amo kasi mali.
Kandari rin ng jogging.
Mahulog lagi. Di beses.
Kandari rin ng jogging sa mga gaan hidri. Ang aming gaan hidri is sikwati.
Dito mo. Doon. Dito. Kaya wala kayo inom.
Mo ko apil ani yung inom dali.
Oo lang
Kana, ka-order.
Di ko eh. Aday, wala correct day.
Ano, asa mo nagika ng map mo?
Sa up na Hi, girl.
Ikaw ng kwanta.
Loy, sila ka.
Nag-calorie din mo.
Nag-diet ko.
Calorie mo ka.
Ah.
Palitin mo sa bike para makasabay. Chicken jogging siya, mag-bike-bike.
Nice, nice. Ya, bawal ito Mr. Bato din, ba? Joke lang.
Bawal man.
Wala na mi.
Nag-abot rigid mi sa mga classmate diri. Ay, maingan pag nagan na lagi mo. Nagan gani ka. Hindi ta matigulang, di ta masakit-sakit dili na nagan.
Yan, tulog pa ang mga bata gyapon. Masa susi da?
Subaya, oy.
Tulog pa ang Clarky. And dara na si Ida o si Kuya Jaden. Naka mukhaon pa, mukhaon sa ko pa ha. This is my breakfast and coffee. Kaon. Balik ko pang tulog ka, matulog kami ulit. 7:27 pa lang.
Even though I stayed close tap first on the way back from jiu-jitsu. Oh boy! Let's go then! What's coming? What do we do? Okay. Wait, what question? Any question. It doesn't matter. Ask him if he's good. Oh wait. Wait, while he went away, if I ask him...
Say hi, guys. Ida is what?
Daddy.
Ida is pretty, and Ida just got home from what?
Blue.
Just got home from School. Car.
Car.
Kaning sakyan na o, tas kani among gisulod kay rocket.
Mm-hmm. Is that a rocket?
Oh,
Are you sure?
yes.